Okay, so you guys are wondering how to convert to a PDF in Google Docs. So we're just going to go to Google Docs. A lot of people think that they have to have like a certain software to do this, but like Adobe or something like that. But a lot of people have been using Google Docs lately, and honestly, it's really easy. So we're just going to click on one of these. I guess we can just click on, like, if you're wanting to send out a PDF to your email, or you're trying to give away a PDF to like a cookbook or any sort of guide or some sort, lots of people, they're just having troubles with this. So all you gotta do is go to File, Download As, and then right here it says PDF. And if you're trying to download it as a Microsoft Word document, you could convert it from a PDF to a Microsoft Word document. So for this video's sake, we're just going to press it. Now it's downloading, and voila, here we have our PDF. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any other questions, comment below. And I hope this video helped you out, kind of, sort of, and yeah. Like, not only Google Docs does this, Google Slides does it, Google Excel, and it's all for free. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Bye.